Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 8 June July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are perfecting the test and the search. We'll discuss the first topic in our editorial page in our today's video. So, just before going that, let's just have a small look on the second topic that was given. The search. The Taliban should not be allowed to take control of Afghanistan through bloodshed. Okay, means the Taliban people, they should not be allowed to make the control on the Afghanistan people. Okay, and the rapid terroristics that was going on in the Taliban and over from the last 2 months, that was going to the Afghan government, and the powers that should be invested, means that should be gained only by the countries which have the stability. Okay, so even the Taliban has also started to offense from the May 1st on the Afghan troops, and they were going against them. Okay, so this topic is all related to the two countries. Well, let's get into our today's topic. Perfecting the test. CBSE's plan for class 10 and 12 assessment should incorporate needs of stressed schools. Okay, means now 10th class and intermediate second year, the exams has cancelled right recently. So the CBS plan, the plan for cancellation of class 12 and class 10 assessments, means the test papers, they should suggest the incorporate needs of the schools. Okay, means we'll get to know now. Preparing for an uncertain academic year ahead during the pandemic, the Central Board of Secondary Education has decided on an assessment scheme for classes 10 and 12 for 2021 to 2022 under various scenarios, including the possibility that board examinations can be conducted should circumstances improve. Okay, see here the meaning of the word scenarios. It means plot, outline, framework or trend. Okay, scenarios means plot, outline, framework or trend. Means preparing for the academic year studies for the education in this pandemic time, they have very felt, means they did more their cooperation, they gave their work, they gave their hard work in that, right? So the CBSE, the Central Board of Secondary Education, this system has decided to take an assessment scheme for this 10th class and 12th class from the years 2021 to 22 under some trends or under some works, and they also include the board examinations, and that can be conducted during this after this has improved. The year gone by was extremely challenging for all boards, and the CBSE has still come up with a scheme to access candidates in class 12. It became clear that even with its high emphasis of academics, there was considerable deprivation. See here the meaning for the word deprivation. It means scarce, loss, means scarcity, loss, denial, hardship or poverty. Okay, deprivation means scarce, denial, hardship, poverty or loss. Okay, means the board exams that were going to be conducted the year after is extremely very hard. Means last year they thought to conduct, but due to the pandemic they cancelled even and they gave past. This year we have seen, right, how far effort they kept to conduct the class 10 examinations, right? But unexpectedly even those were cancelled, right? So though the CBSE had the fast scheme to access all the candidates in the class 12, but they have got these academies, they have got that they got lost in that, means they did not do well. Okay, some students, and not all, got the opportunity to complete their syllabus or attend online classes even in the national capital. Okay, see, means not all students, but some students, they have got the opportunity. That means they've completed all their syllabuses and they have attended online classes and they have finished everything, the learning and preparations. Okay, the wide coverage of the board as of 2019 includes 1,138 Kendriya Vidyalayas, 2,729 government schools, 17,553 independent schools, 598 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, and 14 Central Tibetan schools and schools abroad. Okay, means many schools. See, they have given the list of number of schools that went according to the board exams, which is in the as per coming to the 2019, and 1,138 Kendriya Vidyalayas. Okay, means those many 2,729 government schools, 17,553 independent schools, 598 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, 14 Central Tibetan schools, and even some schools with abroads. The diversity of school students and their varied backgrounds was apparently reckoned to some degree while drafting the scheme for the coming year, which includes a mix of internal assessments for classes 9 to 10 and 11 to 12, and term examinations in November, December, and in March, April 2022. Okay, C means the differentiation or the diversity for the students in different schools, backgrounds, and coming from other some of the degrees where the drafting schemes were coming in the upcoming years, and also which includes the internal assessments for the classes 9 to 10 and 11 to 12. Okay, means that even they have conducted the term examinations, means term examinations we used to say, right, in the month of November to December and in March to April in the year of 2022. Okay, see here the meaning for the word reckoned. It means calculate, judge, or consider, or assessment and evaluation, or we also can say compute. Reckoned means compute, calculate, judge, consider, assessment, or evaluation. Okay, there will be a rationalized, compartmentalized syllabus split into 2 halves for each term. Okay, see here the meaning of the word rationalized. It means justify, excuse, or account for. Okay, justify, to give the justified yourself, means I can justify you, like, okay, justify, excuse, or account for. Okay, well, see, so all the schemes that has taken place, they have justified and they have gave the syllabus, they divided the syllabus into 2 halves as per each term. Okay, this scheme, which has been the benefit of advanced planning unlike the past year, must be responsive